should finish the job is not what is accomplished by the DREAM Act. It's not even required. The DREAM Act has a very low academic bar. It does not only give residency status to the most academically promising or the people with high SAT scores or good grades. A person only needs to be a high school graduate. In fact, you don't even have to get a high school diploma. You only require a GED. Further, the statistics are overwhelming, not just in California, but nationally. The children of illegal aliens don't graduate from high school at a rate of even 50%. They are even much far less likely to graduate from a four-year institution. And the DREAM Act, as it has been submitted to Congress this year, it doesn't even require that within 6 years or in any period of time, in order to keep the residency status that would be handed to these illegal alien children, it doesn't require that they graduate from college at all. I wouldn't like it. I would feel bad. It would be a tough situation. No question. But parents do bad things to children while raising them in and outside of immigrant households. My parents did things of which I did not approve, that I did not like. But it never crossed my mind that the federal government should go rewriting its laws and handing out things of phenomenal value to me because my parents made errors in judgment and did things that may have violated the law. They didn't do anything wrong. But neither did the taxpayers who have been subsidizing the lives of these illegal alien families. Why is it that the remedy you propose is the thing that imposes upon American citizens who are being asked to absorb the presence of illegal aliens under the DREAM Act? And what about the would-be immigrant? What about the kid who is overseas in a foreign country, has academic promise, has played by the rules, he and or his family are waiting to come into the United States. They've made the necessary applications, they've gone through the background checks, and now they can't get in because there's no room, because their spot in the American dream, their position, has been taken by an illegal alien family, including a child who was brought here when he was under the age of 18. Is that fair to the foreigner who has played by the rules and is trying to immigrate to the United States but can't get in? Of course going home is an option for them. It just happens to be the one that you don't like. People leave the United States for countries they can't remember or they've never been to every day of the week, and oftentimes they leave the United States never to return. And as a general rule, when the one option that you deem to be unacceptable, absolutely beyond consideration, when the one option you outright reject is the only lawful thing to do, as a general rule, you're usually on the wrong side of the argument. You had better go back and re-examine your values, because if that's the conclusion you come to, there is something wrong with the way you think and your sense of values.